friends, I am back again with the new topic Australia. So Australia contains 14 island countries. We can also call the continent Australia sometimes as Australasia, but now we will refer to it as Australia only. The main countries to remember in this continent are Australia, New Zealand and Papua New Guinea. Other small countries are there too. When we talk about the past of Australia, the people from Southeast Asia arrived here first and then arrived the Europeans, and it is now a continent of 30 million people. When we talk about the Australian industry, New Zealand thrives with its wool and meat as it is heavily leading in cattle farming, whereas the country Australia produces lot of coal and gold. In the same way, Papua New Guinea produces a lot of gold and copper. Now, talking about the sport of Australia, the country Australia plays very nice cricket, and New Zealand plays awesome rugby at the same time. The climate of this continent promotes many outdoor sports such as tennis, cricket and rugby, which are also very famous on the Australian television. Now, talking about the landscape of Australia, it has lot of varieties. New Zealand has many geysers and a hot temperature, whereas in contrast, Australia has glaciers. But the temperature in the whole Australia is same throughout. There is a very famous mountain called Uluru that is the pride of Australia. Talking about the wildlife, Australia is again very rich in it. Koala, wombats and kangaroos are at the top. They are the animals that have a pouch to carry their young ones and are called marsupials. This is an important term to remember. Now we will talk about the trees and plants of Australia. New Zealand's 80% of plants are unique, and Australia at the same time has a lot of eucalyptus, due to which it contains many koalas, as koalas' main food is eucalyptus. Now Australia and New Zealand with their unique plants, Australia is the origination of most of the plants that are presently in the world. Australia also contains many poisonous spiders and insects. Now when you talk about the tourism of Australia, it is also very varied. In Sydney we have two main places. Sydney is over here. And we have two main places in Sydney, that are Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge. At the same time, in New Zealand's Auckland, that is also a very attractive tourist place. Now we will do a small quiz about Australia. Till the time you can focus on the small islands that lie over here and Australia and New Zealand too. We are back with the quiz. So the first question is, how many islands does Australia contain? Option A 7, option B 14, option C 24, option D 4. So the correct answer here is 14. Australia contains 14 island countries. What is the average percentage of unique plants in New Zealand? Option A 90, option B 95, option C 75, option D 80. The correct answer is 80. What are the animals called that hold their young ones in a pouch? Option A marsupials, option B Mentavineers, Option C, marshes. Option D, satirines. The correct answer is marsupials. Some of these animals are kangaroo, koala and wombat. Which of these lie in Sydney? Option A, Opera House. Option B, Aviatic Coast. Option C, Benjamin Tower. Option D, Statue of Sydney. The correct answer is Opera House. Opera House lies in Sydney, and one more famous monument in Sydney is Harbour Bridge. Which mountain is the proud of Australia? Option A, Kilimanjaro. Option B, Newquay. Option C, Uluru. Option D, Dwost. The correct answer is Uluru. Here Kilimanjaro lies in Africa. So today we have learned little bit about this Iceland continent and have done the quiz. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.